Good morning class 10, this is Sachin Kumar and today we will discuss about the chapter 5 from NCERT Science. Name of the chapter is periodic classification of element and this is the first part of the chapter 1. In this part we will discuss about the element, we will discuss about the need of periodic classification of element and we will also try to understand how the one element are different from the other and what are the things that make this thing different and what are the importance of element in our world. So first of all we need to understand matter before going for the element and atoms. Matter is anything that occupy space and have the mass. Examples are pencil because it is occupy the space, it occupies space and it also have the mass. In the same way apple also occupies space and have certain mass. Book also occupy space and have certain mass. In the same way bags and board also have the same mass. All these things are the solid. And there is a water is also occupy the space and have the certain mass, means it is also matter. Gases is also matter because it is occupying the space and have certain mass like carbon dioxide, nitrogen and oxygen. All these gas make our atmosphere. So in other words we can say the solid, liquid and gases all are matter because all of these things occupy space and have certain mass. So in the same way plant and trees also matter, lion also matter or giraffe is also matter, means animals carnivorous, herbivorous are also matter. This matter is made up of small particles, okay, and these small particles are called atom. So now we will try to understand what is atom. Atom is individual particle from which all matter are formed, okay. Individual particle means that cannot be divided and this individual particle make all matter, whether it is solid, it is liquid or gases. Means solid means ice type, liquid means water and gases means water vapor. So all these things are formed from the atoms and atoms are individual particle. So this is the structure where you can see in the center there is a nucleus and around this nucleus electrons are revolving. This is the basic structure of atom. So all small particles are making matter, but this small particles, all these atoms are not same in size, same in mass and same in properties. There are some differences between one atom to another differences. So atom which are same in size, mass and in other properties form an element, okay. So there are 114 plus element have been discovered and named by scientists so forth. So this 114 element and the atom of this element make all the thing in our surrounding, in our world, in our universe. So what we can say, in other words we can say different combination of atom of this 114 elements have made everything in this universe, from the small grain of sand to a large planet and star. In other words we can also say the 114 plus atom type of atoms in different combination, because 114 plus means there is actually 118 element has been discovered so far by the scientists. So this 114 different type of atoms in a different combination combine together and form a matter, everything that we see around us. So whether it is from the small grain of sand or to a large planet and stars. Atom of this element, atom of all this element means 118 element are building block of all the things that are present in our earth and universe. So what is periodic classification of element? The periodic classification of element is classification means arrange and organize things into group according to the similarities and dissimilarities among them. Okay. What is classification of element? Means arrange and organize elements into group according to similarities and dissimilarities among them is called the classification of element. Third, what is a periodic? Periodic means regular or tabular form के अंदर. Okay. The periodic classification of element, arrange and organize element into group in a tabular form according to similarities and dissimilarities among them. Means there is a classification of elements mean arrange and organize this element which has been discovered by the scientist and chemist into group and into the tabular form according to the similarities and dissimilarities among them, and this classification help us to understand the function, understand the position and understand the name and symbol. So, this classification is important because this thing, organized thing, is more understandable to us than unorganized thing. Okay. So, now we need to understand that numerous scientists and chemists have tried to group known element of their time so that they can understand well properties of the element in respect of other element by looking into the group or table. So, they have tried to classify, try to group the element so that they can understand the properties of element in respect of other element by looking into the group, or we can say they have classified group the element so that they can understand the properties of atom of this element by looking into the position with respect to the other element position into the periodic table. So, we know that there is some properties like the mass and there are size that vary from one element to another, and there are other properties that make one element different from the other element. So, this is the 4 series that we will study in the next video. Dauvergne triad, second is Newland law of octave, and Mendeleev periodic table and the modern periodic table. All these things we will study in the next video, and this is a very important chapter because this thing will tell us lot of about the periodic table, about the element and about the atom. So, in the next video we will study about it. Till then, goodbye and take care. Thank you.